Well, there are many different forms of visualization display systems, and the ActiveCube is seen as the ultimate immersive experience. You're in there, you're surrounded by the world. Obviously, the more walls the cube has got, the more immersive it feels. And so therefore, you really get inside that virtual world. You can see things at one-to-one scale, you can understand them and interact with them, and that really makes you really understand the data.
This is the Virtalis ActiveCube. The Virtalis ActiveCube is a multi-channel immersive system creating a virtual environment for the users. This can consist of 2, 3, 4 or even 5 sides of a cube, such as here at the University of Northampton. This system consists of 5 rigid acrylic screens rear projected by high-end projectors, projecting in 3-dimensional stereo. These are powered by a high-end graphical computing cluster. The user is tracked using a hybrid tracking system to give them a full range of motion inside the cube.
If you think about somebody who's invested an awful lot of time and money in coming up with a CAD model for a particularly complicated piece of machinery, so they can look at it on their desktop and they can get an idea of what it's like. But imagine then being able to get up and get into a virtual prototype of that object. And then you can understand how the space works, how it feels to be in it as though it's really built.
In order to use the ActiveCube, I need to wear some devices. These are active stereo glasses, which shutter in time with the projectors to give me the 3D stereoscopic effect. We have a head tracker that tracks my head movements and a hand tracker that tracks my hand. On the hand tracker are my navigation devices. Using this equipment, I can view objects in the 3D environment, I can interact with them, I can move myself around, look behind them, look around and look inside them. This provides me with a really good 3-dimensionally immersive environment experience.